Are you interested in Notre-Dame Cathedral? Then take a moment and I'll show you 10 fascinating facts about one of the most impressive buildings in Paris. Let's get started right away and be sure to stay tuned until the end because you won't want to miss anything. Did you know that the construction of Notre-Dame took over 180 years? Yes, it began in 1163 and was only completed in 1345. Unbelievable how much history there is in these walls. Fact number 2. The cathedral is famous for its impressive gargoyles, which are not only decorative, but also drain rainwater from the roof. I was there myself recently, and could hardly believe how detailed these sculptures are. Do you know what's inside Notre-Dame? This is where the crown of thorns that Jesus Christ is said to have worn during his crucifixion is kept. This relic attracts numerous pilgrims every year. We've done half of it. I hope it's interesting for you. If so, then leave a like right away and keep watching to the end. There's so much more to discover. Another exciting fact. The famous rose windows of Notre-Dame are among the largest and most beautiful in the world. They date back to the 13th century, and fortunately survived the fire in 2019 largely unscathed. Have you ever wondered how heavy the cathedral's bells are? The largest bell, called Emmanuel, weighs over 13 tons. Its sound is world famous and makes the walls of the cathedral literally vibrate. Fun fact: Victor Hugo's famous novel, The Hunchback of Notre-Dame, was instrumental in saving the cathedral from decay. After the book was published, public interest in Notre-Dame rose sharply again. Are you interested in the towers? Then you should know that you can climb the 387 steps to the top to enjoy a breathtaking view over Paris. It's strenuous, but the view is definitely worth it. Did you know that Notre-Dame was the official coronation church for the kings of France? Many important historical events, such as Napoleon's coronation, took place here. Finally, another highlight. Notre-Dame is not only an architectural masterpiece, but also the center of Paris. The kilometer zero point, from which all distances in France are measured, is located directly in front of the cathedral. If you would like to experience Notre-Dame for yourself now, you can book a trip there via the link in the video description. It's definitely worth a visit. Would you like to experience even more fascinating facts about cities and sites virtually? Then you now have a selection here. If you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any more city breaks. Thanks for watching and see you next time at Sightseeing Sprints.